Hey guys, come watch me clean out our refrigerator. Ooh, you guys, we love pickles. Now these are my favorite pickles. Wow, my husband and I got these. We'll let you guys know how it tastes. Yeah, cleaning out the refrigerator, especially with kids, is no joke. Water break. Man, see? Clean out your refrigerator. Found dinner for tonight. Wow, it's been 3 months, you guys, since I've been married. Now that the worst part is over, let's start wiping down. Now y'all, don't mind the stains on the refrigerator. It's old, but we rocking with it. Now let's start placing these items back in. See? Looks 10 times better. Alright, now the easy part. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just really bored. Again, bored. But I see you watching. As I write the word of the day, y'all remember, a word of the day, keep those evil spirits away. Finally, this is how we looking, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Hope to see you next time.